Well, how's it going, YouTubers? Looks like today we are back on the 4Runner. 2000 Toyota 4Runner. Yesterday we did the back brake over here. We checked it. Turns out okay. Of course, I had the automobile pointed the other direction. We did the passenger side. And we couldn't find anything wrong with the brakes. So now we're over here on this side. And we're going to take this hub off. Well, not so much the hub. The drum, and look at the brakes. I have no idea what I'm going to find, but I know the brake pedal's in pretty good shape. It has a really good solid brake. Stops really good, but I always like to look in the vehicles, see what's going on, especially with the brakes. So we're going to go ahead and pop this off. And also my frame, a little bit on the rusty side. We're going to clean it up a little bit, and I had to do a little welding right up there. The front lower, I think you call that the track bar, it come loose, and I welded all that back up, and we'll show you that here in a few minutes. But overall, it's not that bad. I've seen a lot worse on frames, especially in the Northeast. But for now, let's go ahead and see if we can get this hub off. I don't know why I keep calling it a hub, but it's a brake drum, and this here, I don't know how to, I'm not sure how to get this off here, so maybe it comes off with the hub, the drum again, I should say. It's Monday, so let's see if we can get this off. Not yet. That looks like it's going to fight me. Well, it looks like I'm going to have to get a pry bar. Actually, I got that off. Pretty rusty. I'm about to get a couple of these. There we go. That was kind of holding it on there. Oh, there we go. Oh, brake dust. And there's what we got. Let's see here. Feels pretty good. No grooves. A little dirty, but no big deal. I'll clean that up in a little bit. So it looks like that's okay. Now we'll check our brakes, and well, got plenty of pad, which is great. Same thing over here. So it looks like we're in pretty good shape here, which is great. Like I said, the brakes are pretty good on it. So what I want to do now is spend a little time and go ahead and start cleaning up some of the rust. I'm out of brake cleaner, so I'm just going to clean these brakes up best I can for now. Get the dust out and all that good stuff. So I'll set the camera up on time lapse, and you can watch me do this. Alright, so we got the frame pretty clean. Got some decent paint on it. Looks a lot better already. And the place I had to weld is actually right down here. Pretty common on these 4Runners. There's a little piece here that goes up into the frame where this bottom track bar goes on and goes up there. It had to come loose, and I've got that welded in there pretty good. I'll finish up the weld tomorrow. And there's actually a skid plate on this gas tank here, which is all rusted out. This is what you see here. I'm taking this off, and so I can actually get into the gas tank if I ever have to. So other than that, it's pretty good here. All right, so the brakes are clean, and don't have a whole lot here left to do. So we'll go ahead and put this drum back on. And I know some of you think I'm nutty, but I like to paint my drums, and it just makes it look a lot better, especially when you can see that you've actually worked. When you see your drums been painted, it's just a reminder that you've actually worked on your brakes. It's kind of a reminder. And since we got that on there, might as well just touch it up real quick with a little bit of paint there. Keeps the rust down. And really all I'm going to do now is put the wheel on, and I'm not going to worry about the center cap. I'm going to see if I can get some new ones. These are pretty bad shape, but they may clean up, and maybe I'll paint those. I don't know. Alright, so that's it. I got the frame cleaned up and checked the brakes on the back. We're in good shape, so the 4Runner is getting done slowly, so it looks like I don't have a whole lot to do to get it on the road. Actually fixed a miss last night. That was a PO305, and if you want to see the video on that, what I had to do to it, just check on my channel and you'll see it. Here's a nice look at it. Hard to believe I only paid $300 for this thing. I get so lucky sometimes. And you, my friend, are lucky you found my channel. So thanks for watching and subscribing and all that. Until my next video, I will see you later.